What if I told you there is a way to start your own software company in the next 10 minutes, without writing a single line of code, without hiring a single developer, and without spending 3 years in a basement praying somebody will buy what you build? In the next 4 minutes, I am going to show you how to plug into a 6-time ClickFunnels awarded software business and resell it under your own name, starting today. Stay with me. There is a hard cap on this, and once it is full, it is full. My name is John Vaughn. My wife and co-founder Ankita Nandi and I built Friender, the #1 Facebook organic sales and automation system. Over the last few years, I personally used this exact software to do over $10 million in my own organic sales. To be clear, the software did not do that on its own. I used it every day as an operator, and the funnels around it have been awarded 6 times by ClickFunnels. 3 2 Comma Club, 2 2 Comma Club X, and 1 2 Comma Club C. But before any of that, my wife and I hit the same wall every marketer, agency owner, coach, and creator hits. We were tired of selling things that paid us once. We wanted recurring revenue. We wanted a real asset. So we did what most people are not willing to do. We spent 3 years in serious capital building 8 separate software tools, then rebuilt all of them from scratch into one all-in-one platform. That is Friender. The hard part is done. Here's the one thing that has to land before anything else makes sense. Software is the highest leverage product on earth. Customers pay every month. Most stick for years. The tool becomes part of their daily workflow, and they forget they are even subscribed. That is the dream. The reason most people never get to sell it is because they cannot build it. But what if somebody else already did and handed you the keys? That is the entire program in one sentence. Secret number 1. The fastest way to win in software is to skip the building. 3 years. Engineers. Servers. Bug reports at midnight. We already did all of it. We took the hits. We won the awards. We have the customers. As a friend or partner, you skip every bit of that and start with a finished product, a proven funnel, and a paying market. Secret number 2. The best lead magnet on the planet is software people actually use. Russell Brunson calls this the MIFGE, the most incredible free gift ever. Most marketers give away PDFs nobody reads. You give somebody a free Friender basic account. They use it daily. They hit the limits, and they upgrade themselves. You are not selling. You are giving people what they are already asking for. As a junior partner, you get 100 Friender basic accounts to use as your MIFGE. Secret number 3. You can use the same software you sell to find the people you sell it to. We call it the Friender feedback loop. Step 1. You join, you get your own Friender intelligence account. Step 2. You use Friender on yourself, build your network, message your audience. Step 3. That exact system surfaces the marketers, agencies, and coaches who need exactly what you now sell. Step 4. You offer them an account and you keep the money. Step 5. You repeat. Same software. Both sides of the transaction. Here is what is inside as a junior partner. $100 a month. You get your own Friender intelligence account, which by itself is $99 a month. You get 100 Friender basic accounts to use as lead magnets or sell. You get 100 legacy agency accounts on the 8 original software tools we built before Friender: Friend Connector, Genius Messenger CRM, Friend Disconnector, Birthday Wisher, Post Scheduler, Post Profits, Engagement Monster, and Group Monkey. You get live weekly coaching from me and Ankita. You get the private partner community. You get VIP support. And as you climb tiers, partnership, inner circle, elite, you unlock unlimited Friender accounts, more reseller partners under you, and white label rights on the 8 legacy tools. Quick clarification, because this is the most important sentence in the whole offer. You can resell Friender. You cannot white label Friender. White label rights apply only to the 8 legacy tools and only on yearly billing once you are at partnership or above. That is by design. Friender stays premium. Your margins stay protected. And we run a minimum advertised price policy so no other partner can publicly undercut you. Add it up. The intelligence account alone is $99. People pay $500 to $1,000 a month for coaching from less qualified mentors. People pay $25,000 to $50,000 a year to learn the same funnel building frameworks Russell Brunson personally awarded us for. You get all of it for $100 a month, $1 more than the intelligence account by itself. plus a 30-day no questions asked guarantee. The math is on purpose. We want to fill these seats. This is a closed pilot. 100 partner seats in this round, full stop. Once we open to the public, the lifetime caps are permanent. 500 junior, 200 partnership, 100 inner circle, 50 elite. After that, the only way in is when somebody drops out. If the sign-up form below this video still loads, there is still a spot for you. The form is right below this video. Drop in your name and email, lock in your junior partnership at 100 a month, and upgrade anytime as you grow. If you understand leverage and you are willing to execute, this is the most asymmetric bet you can make this year. I will see you on the inside.